Nag-viral po ang post ng isang pamilya mula Yukon na hinahanap ang kanilang Pinoy nanny noon sa Singapore. Bahagi raw kasi ng kanilang tagumpay bilang pamilya ang inialay na serbisyo ng kababayan noon. Narito ang report.
Gina is such a vital part with our young, growing family.
Nobyembre nang ipost sa Facebook ni Shirley Chuatan ang litrato ng dati nilang nanny sa Singapore, higit 30 taon na ang nakararaan. Where are you, Gina Gavino? Pagsusumamo sa internet na tulungan siyang hanapin si Gavino at pasasalamat sa pagiging bahagi nito ng kanilang buhay.
Just like many families in so many countries, we rely a lot on our helper, our live-in nanny. Gina has been with us for 8 years. That was the most vital part in our young, struggling, growing up family.
Panay daw ang biyahe ni Chuata noong dekada 90 bilang empleyado ng isang multinational company. Kailangan din daw nilang kumita para sa kinabukasan ng kanilang 2 anak noon. Ang isa may autism.
When I pick up my luggage and go to the airport, I know that she will know exactly what to do. What time to pick up the kids, what the kids need, and both husband and wife have to work. And she just stepped in, she is just my shadow. And we are who we are today financially, partly because of her.
2000 nang tumulak sa Canada ang mag-anak, kumuha ng landline na pwedeng tawagan ni Gavino.
First 4 to 5 years she called during Christmas and my second son's birthday. And then after that, she stopped calling. And we have that landline called iTalk BB, where you can bring the phone anywhere across Canada. You'll still be the same phone number.
20 taon ding hinawakan ng mag-anak ang numero ng landline. Umaasa na maririnig muli ang boses ni Gavino sa kabilang linya.
We have to cut off our landline. We've been paying quite a lot every month. So if she's not calling, it's already, 20 years that she didn't call. We have lost track with her. Maybe it's time that we should stop our landline. And that's the time where I said, okay, maybe I should post on social media and try and see if we could locate her.
Yun yung buong name na tinype ko. And then, nagtiyaga lang po akong i-scroll sa pinakababa. Tsumamba lang na nung inopen ko and then tinay kong tingnan yung page niya, yung profile niya. May picture na talagang same nga sa feature po ng mukha.
Lumabas sa feed ni Beth Martiliano ng Isabela sa Pilipinas ang naging viral na post ni Chuatan. Di nag-atubiling sumama sa paghahanap online kay Gavino.
Naisipan ko na wala namang mawawala kung tumulong. Yun. Luckily, meron po siyang public na profile picture na malaki yung resemblance sa picture po na pinost ni Ma'am Shirley.
Nagpadala ng mensahe si Martiliano sa Facebook account ni Gavino. Na-block pa nga raw siya sa pag-aakalang scammer.
Naghanap din ako ng mga parang sa public profile picture kasi niya. Syempre may mga nag-like. Nag-reach out ako sa parang madalas mag-appear doon. So, inaccept na niya yung message request ko. Pwede ko na siyang tawagan para maalis yung pag-aalinlangan niya na hindi ako scammer nito. So, minention ni Ma'am Gina yung parehong pangalan ni Ma'am Shirley at ng husband.
Oo.
So, confirm siya na talaga yung hinahanap.
After 3.5 days, we were on the phone with Gina. And Gina thought, oh, I did not know that you guys are thinking of me. See, I guess being a nanny, they don't think maybe she think that we are more superior than her. A service to men is a service to God. And never underestimate our value.
May group chat na nga sina Gavino at ang pamilya ni Chuatan matapos ang ilang taong paghihintay. Inimbitahan din nila si Gavino sa Yukon para makita ang Northern Lights. Nagpapatakbo kasi ng tours para makita ang Aurora Borealis sa Yukon ang mag-anak. Tumanggi nang humarap sa kamera si Gavino. Senior at tahimik at simpleng buhay na lamang daw ang gusto niya. Pero sa mensahe na kanyang ipinadala, sinabi ni Gavino na masaya siya na makarinig muli sa pamilya matapos ang ilang taon. Isang blessing daw na makilala sila at makapagtrabaho sa kanilang pamilya.
There's no such thing as employer-employee relationship when families are involved. It's more than that. We are so appreciative of so many Filipino that have to leave their family, leave their kids behind to look after the employer's kids in another country.